Hi, my name is Shane and I'm a Dyson expert, and in this video I'm going to be answering the question, how do I clean the filter on my V11? So the V11 has a filter on the back of the machine here. Now this is also the same for the V10 machine. It looks slightly different, but it's essentially the same filter and it's washed and cleaned in the same way. So on the back of the machine here, you can simply twist this to remove, like so, and then your filter is going to come off. Now we recommend washing the filter on a monthly basis. So this just ensures that there's no blockages and that air can flow cleanly and smoothly through the machine. So take it off. I would tap out any dust or dirt against a bin first and then rinse it out under a tap. You don't need to use soap or detergent or anything like that, just plain water is fine. So give it a really good rinse under the tap and then leave it somewhere warm to dry, such as a windowsill or a hot cupboard, for 24 to 48 hours. Once the filter is fully dry, you can then put it back on the machine, twist it to lock it in place, and then you're good to go. For more information, see dyson.ie or leave a comment down below using the hashtag AskADysonExpert.